Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, yesterday IRCC released its target for immigration, and today in this video I'm gonna discuss my analysis on it. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify that neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government authority. So whatever I tell in this video has no legal validity, and it is based totally on my personal analysis that could be proved absolutely wrong. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, based on my analysis, I was anticipating something like this because there was so much uproar on social media about prioritizing family reunification, because families have been kept apart for so long because of the pandemic related slowness in processing, and people were getting frustrated, and that's an obvious reason, especially during pandemic when loneliness is high. uh, the company of our own people is very much required. So that's why there was so much of movements and uproar on social media. So I was definitely anticipating inclination towards family reunification, and by holding 80,000 places specifically for spouse, partner and children, that really makes sense. And they have also increased the space for PGP as well. So all of them are going towards it. That is fine. And when it comes to TR to PR pathway, they started this last year and thousands of people applied, and we were anticipating that decisions would come, and that is what they have indicated in this plan. Now coming to other aspects that is gonna be harmful, like not good for many candidates, is reducing the positions or number of positions under express entry. So when they are not going to conduct any express entry draw, then not only federal skill worker, CEC people will be affected as well. Now, how this will cause a loss to the people is, many people, those who would be at the end of their current work permit, won't be able to stay longer, because once work permit expires, they have to leave, right? If they are not able to renew their work permit, and if they are not able to apply PR, then they have to leave. So there will be many skilled people, those who have their work permits expiring soon, and because express entry draws are not being conducted, so that means they are not being invited. And that's why, like, if you apply under express entry, then after a stage you can apply for a bridging open work permit that lets you working. But because that isn't happening at the moment, so that means before many people could apply, they would be forced to leave. uh, they'll be forced to leave Canada if they want to maintain their legal status. So this is going to be a loss, no doubt. So this is an area that needs to be looked after, because like a lot of these talents, if they are retained in Canada, they can contribute in a better way, because already they have gained a lot of experience and valuable knowledge about Canada and its economy. Now, uh, coming to other aspects, so for express entry, like what I think should be the approach, again, I'm not a decision maker, that at least conduct the draws. Even if you have the plan to reduce the number by half, then rather than doing it after 6 months of the year or 5 months of the year, whatever they decide, do it continuously, reduce the number of positions, but at least do it continuously, because that gives people hope. And hope is the biggest thing, because because a lot of changes can happen after 6 months, because a lot of people, those who are currently holding the top positions, would start losing their position, because with days age grows, and when your age grows, your points decrease. Some of them will have their IELTS score expired. So I think they should be conducting the draws, although at high cutoffs, but at least it should be conducted, because at any moment, those who deserve the most get the opportunity. Because if somebody deserves it highly at this moment, maybe after 6 months, the situation is upside down for them. It could happen. So I think that is something the government should take care. But again, I'm not an expert, and I'm nobody to say that this is something the government must do. I cannot say that. So I think this should be done, and because this is not being done, so there'll be like some irreversible loss. So this is what my analysis is. So guys, I hope you like my analysis. If you have any feedback about this, please feel free to write in the comments. Thank